Welcome to this step-by-step guide to Absa Bank CD rates. Absa Bank is a leading financial institution offering a range of banking products including certificates of deposit. A certificate of deposit is a time deposit offered by banks with a fixed interest rate and maturity date. To get started with Absa Bank CD rates, you need to understand the key concepts. The interest rate is the rate at which your deposit will earn interest, and the maturity date is when your deposit becomes available for withdrawal. Step 1 is to choose your CD term. Absa Bank offers a range of terms from a few months to several years. Generally, the longer the term, the higher the interest rate. Step 2 is to select your CD type. Absa Bank offers different types of CDs, including fixed-rate CDs and tiered-rate CDs. Fixed-rate CDs offer a fixed interest rate for the term of the deposit, while tiered-rate CDs offer higher interest rates for larger deposits. Step 3 is to open your CD account. You can do this online or at an Absa Bank branch. You will need to provide identification and proof of address. Step 4 is to fund your CD account. You can fund your account by transferring money from an existing account or by depositing cash. Step 5 is to start earning interest. Your CD will start earning interest from the date you open the account. It is essential to note that CDs are time deposits and you will face penalties for early withdrawal. It is crucial to choose a term that suits your financial goals and needs. In conclusion, Absa Bank CD rates offer a low-risk investment option with a fixed return. By following these steps, you can open a CD account and start earning interest on your deposit. Always review the terms and conditions before opening a CD account and consider your financial goals and needs before choosing a term.